Today I'm sharing a skincare secret that works wonders for acne on dry and oily skin types. Neem is known for its incredible antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it perfect for reducing acne and soothing troubled skin. Whether you have dry or oily skin, I will show you how to customize this mask to suit your needs. Say goodbye to breakouts the natural way. So let's get started.
To clear the skin texture and also to stop the growth of acne, take a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of neem powder, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, add 1 teaspoon of rose water, mix the ingredients until well combined. Apply it all over your face, leave it for 20 minutes. Wash off with cool water. This face pack reduces existing acne and makes sure new one do not come. This is best suited for people with oily skin. Add 1 teaspoon of neem powder, add 2 teaspoons of curd. Add 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix the ingredients until well combined. Apply this all over your face and leave it for 20 minutes. Wash off with cool water. Take a clean bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of neem powder. Add 2 to 3 drops of tea tree essential oil. Add 2 teaspoons of rose water. Mix it well. Apply it onto the face and leave it for 20 minutes. Neem, we all know it has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which helps to reduce acne size and improve skin texture. It reduces the scars left by pimples. Tea tree oil helps to get rid of acne and prevents further skin infections.
Neem face pack is an amazing all-natural way to combat your acne and soothe your skin the natural way. It is gentle yet effective, and the best part is it is customizable for your skin needs. If you try this mask, let me know how it worked for you in the comments below. If you find this video useful, then do share it with your friends and family who are suffering from acne and breakouts. Until then, next time, take care.